Let me tell you about the six sisters. Planted together full of the same hope and soil, but life had different paths in store. The first one's average height but blooms first. The next one has stunted growth, still achieved the flower head but has yet to bloom. The middle one grew the tallest with the biggest flower head that has still yet to bloom. The fourth one, shorter height, multiple flower head sites with one that bloomed but is not uniform. The last two moved homes early, to my mother's house.